Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the Python programming, and our today's topic is slicing in string. I will teach you I teach you string in my previous video, so watch the video if you don't know about strings and then come to this video. So our topic is slicing in string. So I create another file and here I write slicing in string .py. Slice mean to cut a string. You can say that cut a string. So I am creating a variable or string variable which I name as a is equal to, like our first program, hello world. So in string there are indexes of every letter. The first letter of a string has index 0 and then afterwards, like this, H is 0, E is 1, L 2, second L 3, O 4, comma 5, 6, empty space 6, W 7, in this way. So I just so suppose this is a string and I just want to print only hello. So what can I do? So I write here print a string variable name, and after that brackets, square brackets, and let's see, 0, first index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I print here 0 to 5 because last letter is not printed. This is the rule. So let's see, I click on run button. Sorry, there is a mistake. Name a is not defined. Wait for some second. So guys, I deleted the terminal because the terminal is open in previous file. So when I delete the terminal and again run the file, then as you can see it prints hello. Okay, but now I want to to print comma and after words. So what can I do? There is another method. I write here print this a square bracket and I empty first side, then colon, I start from 5 and I do not give any number or any index in the second space. So what will it do? It will start printing with 5 index and print the whole string after 5. So when I click on this, as you can see, it prints comma and word. So in this way slicing is done in Python, in strings in Python. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.